Welcome back students to CMI's online classes. This is my third video for the students of standard 8, and in this video we are going to discuss about transformation of sentences. Transformation means change. So in this class we will understand the process of changing one kind of sentence into other kinds of sentences. Like we will learn to change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentences, into the kinds of interrogative sentences like we will change an assertive sentence into WH questions, into verbal questions, or into tag questions. And again we will learn to change the same assertive sentence into an exclamatory sentences or negative sentences, affirmative sentences or imperative sentences. So to understand this process we need to follow some rules which are very much important. So you need to be very careful while I am explaining all these rules, because transformation of sentences means to change one kind of sentence into other kinds of sentences, basically without changing the meaning of the original word. That means we do not change the meaning of the words, we only change the sentences. The meaning will remain the same, the expression will be different, but the meaning will remain the same. Now first we will take a sentence from your exercise. This is a beautiful place. If you see your exercise, it is instructed there that we have to change this sentence into an exclamatory sentence. So whenever we frame an exclamatory sentence, that exclamatory sentence when we frame by using WH words, then that sentence ends with the subject followed by the verb. Like the sentence would be like this. This is a beautiful sentence. This is the original word. Now, if I change this sentence into an exclamatory sentence by using helping word, by using WH word, it will be how beautiful this place is. If you see the sentence, in this sentence the subject is the word this, and this word is related to the word place. So when you change this sentence into exclamatory sentence, you can together make the subject this place, because actually the sentence is about this place. That means this place is beautiful. So your correct exclamatory sentence will be how beautiful this place is, because I told you that exclamatory sentences end with the subject followed by the verb. Okay. So now we will again change this sentence into exclamatory sentence in another way. See, so many assertive sentences can be written in assertive sentence without making any change. Like only we need to change our expression, change the way how we speak the same piece of sentence. Like this is a beautiful place. If I say, it is an assertive sentence, but if I express the same sentence in another way, like this is a beautiful place, so this is exclamatory sentence. So in some cases the same sentences, the same assertive sentence can be written as assertive sentence as well as exclamatory sentence. The difference is in the way how we express the same sentence, how we speak up the same sentence. Like this is a beautiful place, assertive sentence. This is a beautiful place. This is exclamatory sentence, and I have to put exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Now come, I was discussing about this. Now come to next exercise, next example. Like I have changed this into a verbal question. So I told you here the subject is this here. So when I change any assertive sentence into verbal question, I have to change the place of that helping verb and the subject. So if the word this is subject here, I could find the helping verb here. So I have to change the place of helping verb and the subject. Subject will go in place of helping verb and helping verb will come in place of subject, and rest of the words will remain same in the sentence. In this case, if we change the sentence, it will become a verbal question. Now see, if I write, see, if I change the place of helping verb and subject, it will become, is this a beautiful place? So this is a question and it starts with a helping verb, so it is a verbal question. And most of the verbal questions are answered with yes or no. So they are also called yes or no question. Understood? Now come to the last example I have written here, like this is a beautiful place, isn't it? Now this is a tag question. To change an assertive sentence into tag question, at first we have to write the same statement like this is a beautiful place. This is a statement. An assertive sentence is a statement. So this is a statement. But after that statement, we have to put the question tag. And the question tag is framed with the helping verb with the subject. Helping verb and subject will together make the question tag. See, this is a beautiful place. Now here the sentence is an affirmative sentence. This is an affirmative sentence, that means it gives us a positive sense. So when I change this sentence into a tag question, I have to make, if the statement is positive, then question tag will be negative. We already know negative sentences. Negative sentences means the sentences have no or not in them. That means if the tag is negative, then we have to add not with the helping verb. So is, we have to make the contraction form of helping verb and not. That means here we have is as the helping verb. So we have to make the contraction form of is and not. That means whenever we make contraction form of helping verb and not, from not we have to remove O, and in place of O we have to put apostrophe. So like here, isn't. Isn't is the contraction form of is and not. From here I have removed O, and in place of O I have put apostrophe. So it has become the contraction form of is not. So I have written the statement first, and after that, to make the confirmation of the statement, I have written the question tag there. Understood? So isn't it? So the subject is this here. So I have changed the subject into pronoun. So it, because if the subjects are nouns, then we have to change that subject into pronoun whenever we are changing it into question tag. So here this has been changed into it, into pronoun. So isn't it? Okay. So if you want to see this statement in a negative sense, like this is not a beautiful place. If the sentence is negative, this is not, then the question tag will be positive, like this is not a beautiful place. Is it? So here is not will be removed and it will be is. This is positive. Is positive? Isn't or isn't, that means the contraction form of is and not is negative. So if the statement is positive, question tag will be negative. If the question tag is if the statement is negative, then the question tag is positive. Understood? Now just take another example from your book. See here, it is given here, who doesn't know her? This is an interrogative sentence, and what type of interrogative sentence? It is a WH question. But when you see this, This is interrogative sentence as well as negative interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence can also be a negative when it carry no or not. So here doesn't is the negative contraction form of does and not. So here we have not in this question, so it is a negative sentence. But what kind of negative sentence? It is interrogative negative sentence. So whenever we change the sentence into negative sentence, if that sentence has no helping verb, in that case we need to put the group of do verbs like we have used here, does not. Why have we used doesn't here? Because if you change this sentence into affirmative sentence, in the question it is written there, you have to change this interrogative sentence into affirmative sentence. Okay, understood? Like affirmative sentence, that means interrogative affirmative sentence, positive sentence. Like who knows her? Who knows her? That means who knows her is the affirmative sentence in interrogative form. Understood? Because if you change the same sentence into negative interrogative sentence, it becomes who doesn't know her. Affirmative form is who knows her, because we don't have no or not here. So it is affirmative sentence but interrogative sentence, but in interrogative form. In the same way, who doesn't know her? This is also interrogative sentence, WS question. Both are WS question. One is negative and one is positive, that means affirmative. Now let us change the same question into verbal question. See here, it is negative sentence, but here, does anyone know her? So this is verbal question. Here we don't have any who knows her. We don't have any helping verb. So when I change this into verbal question, I told you that we have to use the group of do verb. So here the sentence is present tense. If the sentences are in present tense, simple present tense, then we have to use do or does. If the sentences are in simple past tense, then we have to use did. But here we have in simple present tense, so we need to use does. So does anyone know her? Who becomes anyone here? Because we are raising question. Does anyone know her? So we have used does here. So here, who knows? Someone knows her, maybe. Like everyone knows her. Here knows because we have singular subject. But when I use do, does or did, whether the subject is singular or plural, we have to use V1. That we have already discussed in our previous classes. Now, if this sentence is transformed into assertive affirmative sentence, it becomes everyone knows her, someone knows her. Positive sense, assertive but affirmative sentence. In the same way, if you change that assertive sentence into negative, it will become no one knows her. No one knows her. Everyone positive, no one negative. In the same way, something positive, nothing negative. Always positive, never negative. So these are the words which we have to change whenever we are changing positive sentence or affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Now let's take some more examples from your exercise. The numbers I have written here may not match as same as they are written in the book in your exercise, but the sentences are the same. See here, Harish would like you to pass the salt to him. So Harish would like you to pass the salt to him. Now you have to change this sentence into imperative sentence. And here number 4, I request you to give me the keys. So here this sentence also you have to change in imperative. We know that imperative sentences are commands, orders, suggestion, request, or a piece of advice. And whenever we write the imperative sentences, we don't write any subject. Okay, we need to understand the subject of each imperative sentence will be or would be you, because we would be speaking to someone with the word, using the word you. So here the imperative sentence would be, so you would be the subject, but we will not use the subject here. So we will write, pass the salt to Harish. Now, pass the salt to Harish is the imperative sentence. When I change this sentence into, Harish would like you to pass the salt to him. This is assertive sentence. Now, if I change this sentence into imperative sentence, this is pass the salt to Harish. This is a kind of order. Okay. So now, if I change, I request you to give me the keys. Okay. Give me the keys. This is our imperative sentence. Now let's discuss about how to change an assertive sentence into WH question, verbal question, or a tag question. See here, whenever we change an assertive sentence into WH question, at first we have to find out the answer word in that assertive sentence. Like, father gifted a new sari to mother. So here we have two answer words, a new sari and to mother. Understood? So when we make a question by using WH word, then we have to remove that answer word from the question. Understood? So either we have to remove a new sari or to mother. If you remove a new sari, you have to use WH word what. And if you remove to mother, then you have to use whom. Why? Because a new sari is the noun, so we have to use what. Name of thing, so we have to use what. So to mother, mother is the name of person, so it is a noun. So because here father has gifted something to someone, so to whom. So whom we have to write as the WH word. So after WH word, we have to write the helping word. Do we see any helping word here? Father gifted a new sari to mother. No, we don't have any helping verb here. And the sentence is in simple past tense. Because in simple past and simple present, we don't see any helping verb. So in this case, we have to find out, we have to use the group of do verbs, do, does, did, as the helping verb here. So the sentence is in past tense, so we have to use did. Understood? So here we have found WH what. So I have used did here. Why? Because we don't have any helping verb here. The sentence is in simple past tense, so I have used did here. What did father give to mother? So answer word is a new sari. So I have removed the answer word here. Now to mother. If I had to replace, I had to remove to mother. So we should write to whom did father gift a new sari? To whom did father gift a new sari? This would be the WH question. If I remove to mother, answer word to mother from the sentence. Now come and change this sentence into a verbal question. Verbal question means by using helping verb. Here we don't have any helping verb here. So I told you that if the sentences are in simple present or simple past, then we have to use the group of to do verbs. Do, does, or did. So here the sentence is in simple past, then we have to use did. Like, did father gift a new sari to mother? Okay. Here did is helping verb and gift main verb. And in a verbal question, the subject comes between the helping verb and main verb. Like between did and gift, I have used the subject father. Understood? So this is our correct verbal question. Now, if we change the same sentence into a tag question, I have to again first place the statement like father gifted a new sari to mother. This is also a statement. Understood? So after this statement, I have to put the question tag. So if the statement which we have to change into tag question, if that statement also doesn't carry any helping verb, because if they are in simple past or simple present tense, then again that helping verb will be the group of do verbs. Here the sentence is in simple past, so it is a positive sense also. So if the statement is positive, question tag negative. So gifted did not. So here if the sentence is, if the subject is the noun, then that noun will be changed into pronoun here. So didn't he. Father has been changed into pronoun he. So now didn't he is the correct question tag for this statement, and together it correctly forms the tag question. So let's take the last example in which we have to change the sentence into affirmative sentence. Affirmative means positive sense. Understood? Like he doesn't know her. So you can see a book, you can see the same sentence. The number will be not the same. I have put 5 number here, but the number in your book may be different. He doesn't know her. So this is negative sentence. This is assertive sentence but negative sentence. And whenever I change this sentence into affirmative, if it gives a positive sense, in positive sense we don't use do, does, did not here, because the word knows already is attached with the word do or does. Understood? So here he knows her is the affirmative sentence. Understood? Again, if I change this into negative, he doesn't know her. Understood? Here doesn't, because this sentence, this subject is singular. So after using do, does, did, I have already told you V1. Okay, but here we don't have any do words, so we have singular subject, so knows, V5, singular verb. Understood? You need to be very careful. See, like I want to become an actor. This is affirmative sentence. Okay, in affirmative sentence we don't use the main verbs with do, does, did. But when we change it into negative, we need to use the group of do verbs. Okay, I want to become an actor. This is affirmative. But if I change it into negative, I don't want to be an actor. Okay, or I do not want to be an actor. I may use the contraction form of do not. Or I can write do not only also. I do not want to be an actor, or I don't want to be an actor. Understood? Now these here, some of the negative contractions are given here, because I still found some of you are confused about how to change the sentences into tag questions. See, this will be very helpful for you to understand the negative question tags. Okay, negative tags. Like the contraction form of is and not is isn't, does and not is doesn't, were and not weren't, will and not won't. Remember that. Shall and not shan't. Understood? Could and not couldn't, can and not can't. Understood? Did and not didn't or didn't, all these. So I hope you have understood well this transformation of sentences, and you will be able to solve exercise C in your book with the following instruction. You need to follow the instruction and you need to do your work accordingly.